Someone put those baby ngapha.
Hawu, uze millionaire yangala. In fact, a multi-millionaire.
Cha, ngenza umsebenzi wami.
Awuthatha ncane.
Cha, bhuti wami ukuthi uyaphi bhuti wami.
Angaqashe washa imoto.
BMW. Inkinga nami ngenza umsebenzi wami.
BMW.
Ngenza umsebenzi wami. Indlela enisho
ngayo. Awuthatha ncane.
Cha, umsebenzi ala.
A multi-millionaire.
Cha, ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ubheke bayitho umuntu
umsebenza
kuya ngihleze imbuzo usubheke.
Likhona imillionaire entshontshayo. Likhona imillionaire entshontshayo.
Angithi ngithi umsebenzi wami ngashela khona nje.
Asatha njalo. Athatha njalo.
Hey my brother.
Awe.
Uya kae my brother?
Ke nyo go feta o ka butse ke a kae na o mang wena mo.
My brother ke mmereko ka mo. Ke bereka mo.
Bana butsa nore ke a kae ke a go ke a bra go na nna mo mmereko go ba security ska butsa batho re ba ya kae bra.
Mmereko ka security or let's go no feta.
Ai bra go sa butsa batho re ba ya kae bra gona gata mo gate ditsotsi nna ra feta. O bona re ba di BMW bra. Ukalla ha ona selo bra. Ke tshwere sala. Nka o reka wena nka o hira ona ntlhatso tsa dijoki go nna wena ona di dimala o nneta o no re ke apere bjang o no re ke faka go le bjang e manyana o monyane bra are twa tsek
Sure my brother.
Liyakanye.
Yeah, my brother. You can't ask a millionaire where is he going. Like we know where we are going. So this guy asking him millionaire where is he going? Like come on, Joe. Like I can give you a job. We can't span now, and Joe. Like go here and no, and no go here and no. Don't put through the guy, Joe.
Ayivuli gates wena mfethu akubalekile uthi yangake phona sivulele size lapha phakathi.
Umsebenzi wami mfethu ukuthi ngicheck ukuthi ngiyake bese ngiyabhala lapha.
Umsebenzi wakwenzani?
Ukuthi ngicheck ukuthi ngiyake bese ngiyabhala lapha.
Uyasazi sobani thina ukuthi ufuna ukuthi
Awusazi nokuthi sobani nokuthi namalini.
Ngenza umsebenzi wami.
Abantu abalethe imoto eAgentam la ma millionaire. Wonke umuntu njasisho wena thina size eAgentam akubalekile usikunike ama details ubhale lapho ukuthi ke wonke umuntu mayeze eAgentam imillionaire fanele ukwazi lokho.
Cela unginike nane code ye uniform yakho before ukuthi wazi ukuthi siyapi. Ngizolivula igate noma ngulivule emantshenelani. Awenze njalo. Sirashe lapha ekwenziwa khona into right wena la umsebenzi.
Baba vula igate baba xa usivulela igate singene lapha ethu. Yenza umsebenzi wakho wena ukuvula iboom gate usuku lonke.
Lalela kufake la.
Uyayihlisa uyanyusa lapha.
Siye Agentam siyazi kwenziwane eAgentam. Wena ukuthi uvule le boom gate sambe sela sifuna kuya khona.
Ngehlonipho mfethu. Ngizolahlekelwa umsebenzi wami mangabe ngimvulile.
Uhola malini? Uhlala lapha. Uhola malini?
Uzosivulela iboom gate noma ngeke sihambe soshaya full rap eAgentam uqhubeke ukhathi imoto la. Olusivulela lapha futhi.
Ngenayo mfethu ya nakho umsebenzi wakho loyo mfethu. Ungabe stay eningi umsebenzi wakho.
Usafuna ukugcina umsebenzi wenza into otshelwa yona abaphathi bakho mfana.
My brother,
Sure.
where are you going?
I'm going inside.
What are you going to do inside?
Open for me, man. I know where I'm going.
My brother, you can't sign. You can't sign, my brother. You can't sign.
How can you ask me that? What is your job? Do you know your job?
My job is to ask you.
Do you know what I'm driving?
I know, my
Do you
brother.
know the car that I'm driving?
My brother, I'm just doing my job.
What is your job?
My job is to make sure that everything is safe.
Open for me. I know where I'm going, my brother.
My brother, I'm doing my job.
What is your job? Is to open for me. Open for me, my brother. I'm late. I want to go inside. I'm a billionaire.
My
Open
brother,
for
how
me.
Can you say, hold, I'm not aware. You must make sure that I know in everything.
Brother, open for me. I want to come inside.
My brother, let me see your license.
I want to come inside. You were supposed to ask me for that and open for me. Don't do what you're doing. You know that I can pay your salary now.
I know, my brother.
Yeah, so open for me. Here's my license. Yeah, open for. Yeah.
Oh, this is your dick.
Yeah. Open for me, my brother. I know where I'm going.
Okay, my brother.
Sharp. You know, you can't ask me, someone who's a BMW, and you ask Koro where I'm going.
Your dick has something.
Yeah, you open for me. I'm coming inside. I know where I'm going. These guys, you know I can pay his salary. Joe, this guy, man. Idiot. That's idiot, man.
Yeah, sanibona bhuti.
Uyasibona? Uyasibona.
Uyasibona?
Uyasibona ukuthini?
Bengibuza
Do you know who we are? Yakuthi uyasibona.
kahle kahle amadoda yabo.
Yakuthi uyasibona. Do you know who I am? I'm a millionaire.
Okay.
You'll never make a million. You'll never drive a BMW.
Okay, ke ma millionaire.
Who you are? Who do you think you are? So, siyazi thina ukuthi siya. We know where we're going.
Phela
Who
nami
are you?
kufanele ngazi bhuti. Angithi mina ngisebenza khona lapha ekhaya kumele ngazi ukuthi niyaphi.
You know who I am. This car, do you know this car? Mnikathi Logistics. Do you know Mnikathi Logistics? You know what we do? We deliver things for millionaires just because we are also millionaires.
Oh.
I'm a multi-millionaire. I drive a BMW. You'll never drive a BMW. What?
Ukuthi ningene
You
la
know-
kumele ngiscan license.
You know, you must have a manner of approach when you are talking to millionaires. You know, that's why the foreigners, that's why they are chasing the foreigners because of your attitude. Yeah.
Hayi.
You must have a manner of approach. You know this guy, he doesn't know who we are, you know. We are multi-millionaires. We bought the car here at BMW, you know. So now he's telling us for license.
License.
Come on.
I have your license.
We know where we are going, you know. We know where we are going. We bought this car here because we are the millionaires.
God, there's a speaker.
If you want deliveries, contact us, Mnikathi Logistics. We'll give you a discount on deliveries. We are millionaires.
Yes, it's either udeliver furniture or udeliver imoto yakho or ufuna sihambise wena uqobo, everything.
Yeah. Don't ask us where we're going. We know where we're going.
No.
How does it feel to have a millionaire friend?
That's me, by the way.
Welcome to Glennon Cars. We are not millionaires, but we try. So we came here to support our friend at BMW. If you guys don't know what happened, just go online and search for the millionaires. You will see. We came in to just support our friend, make him feel comfortable, and we gave him some lunch money. I'll disclose at the end of the video how much we managed to contribute for our friend, but he will be joining us on the 2nd of August for the Glen on Cars event. If you guys also want to join us, please come through 2nd of August. Check out glenoncars.com and then you will see the event there. Please come through and we're gonna have a nice one. There's our brother there. We are now leaving and he is super happy, doing his job very well. Thank you guys. So the Glen on Cars group came to BMW Kempton Park to support Tebza because people were treating him in a very weird way. If you guys haven't watched the video, go online, you'll see the video about the millionaires. We just wanna give him lunch, so you'll see the transaction just now, just for him to have lunch. So as you can see, this is the Glen on Cars contribution for just Tebza to have lunch after the ill treatment he got. That's right.